Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to go about taking your assignments from the website to your calendar. Because I know most people miss their assignments because maybe there was a malfunction with the reminder. You remember we have a thing to remind. There's a within Moodle. I don't know how you pronounce that. There's a reminder thingy there, so it reminds you maybe 2 hours prior the assignment that you have an assignment. But sometimes it does not work because maybe your phone might have shut it down. So today I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to take your stuff and put them in your actual calendar, the one in the phone. So we're just gonna navigate to the home page. I have not logged in to this PC with my account. So if you're having problems logging in, maybe this might also help you. I don't know. Oh my god. So we're gonna log into my modules. My admin is when you want to check your fees. Um whether you're getting paid this month, whether your assignments are I don't know, maybe you want to check your marks or something, or your exams. That's when you go into my admin. But for now we're gonna go into my modules, and then we're gonna click on that unisa stuff, marker email, or student my life, whatever. Okay, cool. So as you can tell, it does not show my password because I have not logged. I tried to, but I thought let me not do it, and maybe this might help people who do not know how to log into their module. And then it's going to ask you if it should text you or call you to get the code, the login code, which I like to use the text function 0. Okay, once you're on the page, guys, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna navigate onto the. If you cannot see the calendar on your side, what you can do is that you can click on your profile, and you'll see the calendar there. All right, because most of y'all are not using the PC, so the easiest way to navigate to the calendar, just come here on your profile, click calendar, and then boom, there it is. So from here we're gonna scroll down. All right, we're gonna scroll down. You have to see this import or export calendar. All right, this is not hard, guys. It's not hard. Import is when you're bringing in, export is when you're taking out. So we're gonna be exporting. All right, exporting means we're taking it from my unisa website to our gallery. All right, but if you want to import, then you want to take what's outside the gallery, I mean the MyUnisa website, and you want to bring it into the MyUnisa website. All right, for you to easily navigate. Maybe there might be something that is out of schedule that you might need to use. You put it in there. I've never done that. I don't know if there's any, but yeah, so far this is what has been working out for me. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come here. It says events to export. I like to say all events. All right, I like to say all events, and I like to say for recent and the next 60 days, but you can choose from when you want them to be. Like for example, if I come here, I think okay, it chose for me, but I think you should be able to choose maybe like starting from now till the end of the year. Yeah, I think you can do that. So you either get your calendar URL or you export it and it downloads a file. So I clicked on export, and then you're gonna get an ICS file. All right, I saved that, and then I don't know if it works on the PC, but let's try it out. And it works on PC. Okay, so you're gonna do the same with your phone. If you're using your phone, okay, I don't want to sign in. If you're using your phone, right, you download the file, you send the file. If it's on your PC, you send it to your phone, right? And then you click on the file. It'll take you to the calendar. If it doesn't take you to the calendar, you select the app, the calendar app, because it might ask you of the app that you want to use. All right, and then you select you select the app, and then it'll place them into your calendar. All right, they will appear the same way as they do on the website. So for example, on the PC we have an option to add to calendar. All right, so I'm gonna add to calendar. And then Outlook is replacing mail in, okay, not now. For now, let me just show you. Okay, so guys, as you can see, oh, sorry. As you can see, this is the same as, okay, wait. So on the 4th, there's something, right? On the 4th, something was open. Okay, I don't think I have space. Let me just do this. On the 4th, I had something that was open, but it has passed, so it won't appear. Now I have something on the 13th, 15th, and the 19th. All right, this is my calendar. Now let's go on the website. All right, and then now it shows that I have something on the 13th, the 15th, and the 19th. Just like that, guys. You can also set in your calendar when you want to be reminded of this. All right, so just don't forget. Hold on, let me do something. I have 2 monitors, so that's why. So don't forget, if you want to set it to remind you at a certain time, you change the times here. All right, these are your times. You can set it to be all day, which it will not remind you. I think it will, but at 12 midnight. So you can choose to have it remind you, maybe let's say in the morning, maybe at 5 a.m. That's when it starts, and then it ends what time? Let's just say your assignment ends at 11. 11 is due, right? AM. Let's not do PM. All right, so we leave it at that, and then it's gonna remind you at 5 a.m. and then probably at 11 it'll tell you that, hey man, an event has passed. That's tough. Unfortunately, you've lost, but it would have reminded you first at 5 a.m. All right, so like, yeah, that's simple, guys. That's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you don't miss your assignment ever again. Yes, sir. If you have something that you want to know or you want to ask, leave it in the comment below, and then I'll help you with that. All right, peace out.